Hi guys, and welcome to another installment of Coffee Machine Depot. Today we're going to look at the perfect companion for your cafe, and that's from the Perfect Mousse. So what is the Perfect Mousse? Quite simply, it's a milk steamer that attaches to your espresso machine via the steam boiler. So it supplies the steam to the mousse, and it's an automated milk steamer. This automated milk steamer not only gives you a variety of different thickness on your foam that you can have coming out, it also allows you to change the temperature and set the temperature where you want it as well. I know some of the guys over on the East Coast, they prefer to have a really hot milk, and certainly on the West Coast where we are in Los Angeles, people prefer the milk a bit cooler. You can set it and forget it. If you have staff that don't know how to steam milk, this is your answer. It's very simple. You have 3 different colored pitchers. You have white for milk, you have green for alternative milk, you have black for chocolate, and also matchas, and you simply put that there. It's got an RFID reader at the bottom, and it will steam the milk for you at the right thickness and at the right temperature. So let's make a shot and see how this comes out. As a barista, you go completely hands-free. You don't have to be touching this. You're not swirling the milk around. You're not doing anything. And as a matter of fact, it beeps at you and tells you, now you need to clean it. So you give it a quick wipe, and then it's gonna say, touch it, and it's gonna purge the milk. How cool is that? Everything is done for you. It's calibrated, it's ready to go. Waiting for the next shot. In a cafe, we need speed to get your drink out. We've got to get that line down. It's very important when you've got a whole heap of people in queue to be doing this. Some people I know have 2 of these in their shop. They just have them banging out drinks all day long. They're just making as many drinks as possible. And those guys there, they understand what speed is. Money. They don't want people to walk out of the line. And let's see how the Perfect Mousse pours out. It is an absolute amazing system. I've currently got it set for cappuccino, and I've just poured that off. We'll be able to see from the bottom how that cascades. I like to use glasses, as you know, so we can see where that's at. That's going to start cascading, and we should get a head somewhere around about here. And I can tell you that is a perfectly steamed milk. That's exactly what we want to serve our customers. We want consistency, we want the right foam, and we want the right temperature. And it's going to happen day in, day out when you have a Perfect Mousse in your cafe supporting you and your staff and your equipment. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the new Perfect Mousse and how it can help your cafe. If you like our content, we'd love you to like, subscribe, and comment on our YouTube channel. This enables us to make content like this, and we can also help you at Coffee Machine Depot whenever you like. If you have questions about the Perfect Mousse, please feel free to comment, please feel free to call us, please feel free to send us a message. We're here to help at Coffee Machine Depot. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.